Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to remove the background of an image like this. Do copy paste this link in your browser. I am just pasting the copied link in my browser. It will redirect you a page like this. By clicking upload image, you can upload the image that you want to remove the background. I am just uploading this. After some time, you can see that the background of the image is removed. After completing the process, just click download to download the image. To check with the process, just go to a new slide in presentation. Just copy paste the image. Change the background color of the slide. Here you can see that the background of the image is removed. Now you can use it as you want. Hope you understood the process of removing the background. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.